My name is Guowei. Our app for the final project is called ByteSight, which is a local restaurant discovery app that allows users to find restaurants in their current cities and nearby areas. Our initial plan features 4 tabs: the Home tab, showing popular restaurants in the user's city by ratings; the Explore Nearby tab, listing restaurants based on users' current location; the Favorite tab, listing restaurants liked by the user; and Final tab, displaying users' details like username and email. We successfully implemented all these functionalities. A future feature we would like to add is a History tab, which allows users to post reviews and photos of visited restaurants.
Hello, this is Jacqueline. Next, I will introduce the welcome screen, register screen, login to the app, and the profile screen. So firstly, when the user opens ByteSight app, they can see the welcome screen, which allow user to log in or sign up. So by clicking the sign up button here, we direct the user to the register screen. User need to put every information except the profile photo to register an account. If any of the field is missing, it will lead an alert window to ask user if to put like all required information. It will also validate the email format and zip code for the user. So here, if I put like a wrong email address, then it will show like an alert message to tell the user you need to put like a correct email address. And if you put like a wrong zip code as well, it will also alert the user. And also, we can choose a profile photo by either taking a photo from the camera or choose one photo from the gallery. And it will direct us back to the login screen. If we put like a wrong password to sign in, and then it will ask, it will show up like an alert message to tell user you put like either wrong email address or the password. If we put everything correct and then hit sign in, it will direct us to the home screen. So by clicking this Me tab here, allow user to view their profile information. Here we can view the name, email address, city, state, and zip code. So by clicking this Edit Profile button, it allows user to edit all the information showing here. We can edit one information, or we can edit all of them. So by clicking this back, like the Me button here, we go back to the profile screen. And so if we want to change like a profile photo here, we just need to select the photo and hit save. And then it will show like an updated profile photo here. When hit log out, and it will pump up like a window ask user if the user really want to log out. If you don't want to log out, just hit cancel. If you want to log out, just hit yes. And then it will go back to the welcome screen. So from this class, I've gained extensive knowledge beyond the course material, including handling field-based login and registration errors, changing profile photos from field-based storage, and syncing data in the app. For me, balancing a full-time internship and 2 classes during the final weeks was challenging. Additionally, while implementing new functionalities, I often found it difficult to apply concepts from reading the documentation. But overall, I gained valuable experience from taking this class. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Craig. For my part, it's about the home screen. The screen will appear once the user logs in, and it will show the most popular restaurant in user city. The restaurants are fetched using Yelp API, and it is sorted by rating. And at homepage, we will show the picture of the restaurant, the category of the food, the address of the restaurant, and its price, if applicable. And user can like and dislike the restaurant here. When user click on the cell, it will lead you to the detail page. And that's all about the homepage. While developing this application, I gained expertise in three key areas using the co-location framework for location data retrieval, utilizing the Yelp API for restaurant details, and implementing button animations to enhance user interaction. And I have encountered difficulties when implementing the like button. In order to show the button status correctly, it involves more logic check to ensure the already liked restaurants like button is toggled, and the layout constraints setting is also a pinpoint for me. In reflection, we can use more design patterns to avoid duplicated codes and improve Git skills to achieve a swift collaborative experience.
So I'm going to give a quick demo on the Explore Nearby tab. So first I need to pick a location. Let's say I pick Hong Kong, that's where I'm from. And then we can run the app. And then log in. So let's go to the restaurant nearby tab here. So the app first retrieves nearby restaurants based on the user's current location, displaying them as a stack of cards. Users can swipe right to like a restaurant or left to dislike it. The liked restaurants are saved to the database. So as you can see here, I have a empty business collection here at first, and then let's say I like this open kitchen, so I swipe to the right, and then let me refresh it. So I have a new business collection and then a new document. The name is Open Kitchen, which is the restaurant I just liked. And then let's say I don't like this restaurant, I swipe to the left, and you can see here it will not be added to this business collection. And also there are like and dislike buttons at the bottom for users who prefer not to swipe, functioning the same to the swiping gestures. So let's say I like this restaurant, Pratt Manager, so I like it. Click on the like button, and you see that this restaurant is added to the business collection. And let's say I don't like this restaurant, I can click on the dislike button, and you will not be added to the business collection. So some of the things I've learned from building the app include how to fetch the user's current location using co-location, and how to incorporate an external API, in our case, the Yelp Fusion API, into the app. I faced a challenge in the project with passing data from the Yelp Fusion API. The struggle to retrieve restaurants' data was eventually traced to a mismatch in variable names and types between our application's struct data and the API response. Overall, I learned a lot in this final project, from designing the user interface to implementing the app logic. Everyone on my team contributed and helped each other during the app development. Overall, it was a great team project experience.
Our favorites page is a collection of beloved restaurants, each represented by a cell that showcases its distinctive characters. In this overview, we highlight a restaurant's photo, name, price, and food category, creating a visually appealing and informative display for our users. By clicking on each cell, the user will be brought to the details page, where they will be able to see more information about a restaurant. In addition to the details available on the favorites page, users can access the precise address, phone number, and readings. This comprehensive view provides all the information needed to plan for the perfect dining experience. By clicking on the map icon, users will be brought to a visual representation of the restaurant's location. This feature adds a spatial dimension to the dining experience. And finally, clicking on the dislike button allows users to remove a restaurant from their favorite list. And this ensures that their collection stays tailored to their evolving taste. What I gained from building this application is acquiring proficiency in fetching and organizing data from Firestore database and presenting data in a table view. And I have also mastered designing user-friendly overview and detailed pages, enhancing both visual appeal and functionality. What I struggled the most with is working with MapKey to accurately obtain visual location information. And to sum up, our team has efficiently collaborated on code integration, though I think there's still an opportunity for us to enhance our emphasis on refining the user interface design.